Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel USAA credit card. To cancel your USAA credit card is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. Open up a web browser and type in USAA.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for USAA. The easiest way to cancel your credit card is to contact the customer service for USAA. From the main homepage, scroll all the way down and go to the Contact Us area at the bottom right. Make a phone call on the particular number displayed on the screen and then speak to a customer service representative telling them that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Be prepared to answer security questions and provide your account information. They will then guide you through the step on how you will be able to cancel your credit card quickly and easily. So that is how you can easily cancel your USAA credit card in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.